Hello students, welcome to Intelligentsia classes. We discussed about a very important topic, the sentence. Students, the sentence, you know, sentence is what? A group which make a complete sense is called sentence. A group of word which makes complete sense is called sentence. So you should remember about sentence. Sentence should be in proper order. A sentence should be in a proper order. And second, begin with a capital letter. And third, end with proper punctuation mark. It means to say full stop and interrogation mark, explanation mark. So this is the punctuations you know. And here is the part of sentence. Sentence has two parts, you know. First is subject part and second is predicate part. First is subject part. A person or things. A person or things about which we are speaking, that is called subject part. And the rest part tells about the person or thing, that is called predicate part. So here let's example, Harish reads a book. Here you see Harish is a person and the rest part reads a book. Harish is a person. Rest part reads a book tells about person. It means to say Harish is a subject. So Harish is subject part and reads a book. It means to say that is predicate part. So here a sentence has subject part and predicate part. Sometimes you know in a sentence no subject is given, so only predicate parts is mentioned. After that we discuss about kinds of sentence. Kinds of sentence, here you see first affirmative statement and declarative sentence. Affirmative sentence has positive statement and negative statement both. So sometimes you see in different books affirmative sentence is called statement also and this is called declarative also, and this has two statements, positive or negative, and ends with full stop, you know. And second, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence, students, ends with interrogation mark. Here any question is asked. So interrogative ends with interrogation mark, that is. And third, imperative sentence. And imperative sentence also end with full stop. Here's command, suggestion, advice are given here. And you know sometimes the subject is hidden and the rest part is called predicate. So in four exclamation sentence, here ends with exclamation mark and imperative ends with full stop. So in exclamation sentence, it means to say exclamatory sentence, we have feeling of sudden. So that is called exclamatory sentence. Now we discuss about phrase. A group of words makes not complete sense. Here we discuss and note about in a sentence a group of words makes complete sentence and complete sense, and here in phrase a group of words have not complete sense. So note you should remember here. Here no verb. In phrase no verb is given, and second no subject and predicate is given. First no verb is given, second no subject and predicate is given. So this is the recognition condition of a phrase. So let's example of a phrase, in the night. So in the night is a phrase, and in a few minutes, this is also a phrase. Here student, you see there is no subject, no predicate and no verb. So this is called phrase. And in a sentence, subject and predicate both are coming, and sometimes you notice subject is not given in a sentence. So students, this is the sentence topic we are given here, and later next topics we discuss about the example of sentence, phrase and predicate and subjects. Till then, goodbye.